deep once again. My heart is waking. It hurts when you lie all the time. Can't feel anymore. Feels numb when I die. Restart me again and again. Your love, the ghost of me. Been waiting for the...
Hello and welcome back, I'm Sean, and today we're checking out Earfun's attempt to the very popular genre of clip-style earbuds to see how they stack up and whether or not they will be your next earbuds. So let's check it out. So starting with what I like about these earbuds is definitely the specs you get with these earbuds. It's got the latest Bluetooth 6 technology, but not only that, it comes with LDAC, AAC and SBC support. Battery life here is also amazing with 10 hours per charge and 30 additional hours with the case, giving you a total of 40 hours of use. I also like that these earbuds comes with IP55 dust and water resistant rating, giving you peace of mind when using these earbuds, whether it's running in the rain or giving it a rinse after your gym workouts. These earbuds will survive. I like the design of the earbuds, the build quality is good, and the earbuds also have a very nice design, including a red ring indicator on the right side of the earbuds. And finally, you also get a nice multi-point capability with these earbuds. So there are also some things that could be better with these earbuds, and although sound signature is possible with these earbuds, but they aren't the best in the world, and you need to look past the fact that there isn't much bass with these earbuds. Also, just for my ears, these earbuds does put some pressure onto my ears after a while, and they do hurt after using them roughly about an hour. Finally, volume is decent. They do get loud, but 100% for me doesn't feel like the loudest earbuds. So in noisy places, and I did use this in a noisy cafe, is not enough to beat the environmental noise. Price-wise, the Earfun Clip comes in at a price of 249 ringgit or around 59 US dollars. It's a good price for the performance you're getting, somewhere around the mid-range price for clipless earbud. And if you find value in what you hear and like what you see, do subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so the YouTube algorithm can pick this up. And if you want to buy these earbuds, do check out my links below. So sound quality wise, the Earfun Clip is not the best sounding clip style earbuds that I've heard. The best is still the Soundcore Aero Clip, and a close second probably the Tozo Open Earring. The earbuds doesn't provide you with a very wide dynamic range, but provides you just a very basic sound signature in my opinion. There are a few modes inside the app to make it a lot more dynamic, including Search Bass mode, which I honestly feel is a little bit wrongly named, because once you're in search bass mode, it does improve the performance of the low end, but nothing crazy in my opinion, nothing surgy about it. You still don't get the sub bass performance, but the mid bass is now slightly improved, I would say maybe by 20%. The good news is that with the search bass mode, the mids and highs are not sacrificed, and the mid vocals here is great, although in search bass mode, I can still feel that the vocals are in steady middle plane, not forward, not recess. When it comes to the highs, I feel the highs are a bit messy, a bit flattish, doesn't have that nice sparkle I come to expect from an earbuds. So overall, decent sound signature, definitely not for the fussy listener, but for an everyday earbuds that you can just pop on and do your thing, I think they work pretty well. I think the Earfun's Clip is probably the second most well-designed clip-style earbuds that I've tested so far. I love the materials you get and the design very much, and I think they look pretty good. The case is made of a nice plastic material and not the cheap ones that you find on budget earbuds. It's got a nice gunmetal grey color and the Earfun branding at the front, along with an LED to tell you the battery level of the case. At the bottom, you get a Type-C charging port to charge the earbuds and also a button to put the earbuds in pairing mode. And the lid also opens up nice and solid, and it holds itself up for you to access your earbuds. So I especially love the design of the earbuds with that larger beans shape at the back with the Earfun branding and the gunmetal grey panel. You also get button controls rather than touch sensors that typically don't work very well on clip style earbuds. I also like that Earfun puts a red ring on the right earbud, so you definitely know when you put it in the right way without looking at it, because with these earbuds you need to wear it on the correct side as the speaker angles into your ear canals. If you wear it on the wrong side, it will be pointing upwards. So you get a ball-shaped front that also houses the speaker units inside. So comfort-wise, this earbud does give me a little bit of pressure. Perhaps it's a little small for my ears, but they're not extremely uncomfortable, still pretty decent. The hinge you get with these earbuds is also extremely soft, making it easy to wear and very pliable, and they stretch nice and comfortably. So this is a test to see if the Earfun Clip is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a similar background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background. This is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So ready to the call quality? Let me know in the comment section. Volume-wise, you get to a comfortable listening volume at around 50% volume, and moving upwards of 90% feels loud, and although you get to a loud volume at 100%, it's not something that I can't listen for a long time. So volume-wise, they're loud but can still be louder in my opinion, so do take note that the left and right orientation, if you wear them wrongly, the speakers will point away from your ear canals, making it softer, so you just have to twist it around to make it into its normal volume. The Earfun app is simple and well laid out, and you get a lot of features that I typically don't see. At the homepage, you see the earbuds and the case battery level in percentage, which is very helpful. Below that is a gaming mode toggle, and next to that audio segment, you can quickly change between theater mode, search bass, or privacy mode. In theater mode, it opens up the sound stage. Difference here is quite substantial, and you can hear it slowly opening up. Search bass here, as the name suggests, improves the bass performance, and privacy mode lowers the volume without affecting the volume on your device. After that, you get many equalizers to choose from under preset, and you get a total of 22 different presets, and under custom, you get a 10-band EQ to play from. You also get a My Sound profile where it lets you customize the sound based on your hearing, and next you get to disable all controls and also customize the controls of your earbuds. Below that, you get to toggle the dual device connection, voice prompt settings, and auto shutdown timer. There's also hearing health management section to limit maximum volume and also adjust the balance of the left and right earbuds. You also get to update the firmware when you get a new one. With gaming mode turned on, I still see a tad bit of latency when playing games like PUBG, but much better than gaming with it turned off. It's still playable, but definitely requires gaming mode to be smoother. Watching videos and movies is fortunately very good. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So a decent pair of earbuds in my opinion, and having Bluetooth 6 is a nice touch, and I think it's a little overkill having LDAC on these types of earbuds. It'll be good to see what Earfun comes up with on the next Pro line earbuds, and if they put the same tag in along with ANC, then it will be a winner. In the case of the Clip, still great value in my opinion, and definitely good enough for basic listening experience. And if you want to check out my comparison video of all clip style earbuds that I've tested so far, click on this comparison video right over here, and I'll see you over at that video.